For the best in eyewear, call Dr. Leak's Optometry.
Today, my office had a call with representatives from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. While discussing Nevada's data and using other states' data as guides, the federal representatives advised us that if Nevada did not take swift policy action to prevent the spread of COVID-19 throughout our state, we would likely soon be in a precarious condition where hospitals are overwhelmed with patients in the very near future. This information, based on the increasing trends we've been experiencing, led me to my decision today. The decision is based on targeting high-risk areas where infection is more likely to occur. That is why tonight I am announcing that as of 11:59 p.m. tomorrow, Friday, July 10th, bars in certain counties in Nevada will be returning to similar restrictions laid out in Phase 1 of our Nevada United Roadmap to Recovery. Additionally, I'm concerned because based on our inspection thus far, fewer than half of the bars that OSHA inspectors have visited have been found to be in compliance. Right now, our HHS teams are confirming the criteria that would designate a county in Nevada as a hotspot. Tomorrow, I will be releasing that criteria and the names of the counties that will be required to close bars tomorrow, beginning at 11:59 p.m. per this directive. Just like in Phase 1, this applies to bars and taverns that do not serve food. They can still provide curbside pickup and delivery where allowed locally, but they can no longer have patrons on the premises. Restaurants with bar areas must close the bar areas to patrons and continue to limit capacity to 50%. Customers seated at tables can still be served alcohol, but they cannot congregate in the bar area or be served at the bar. All bar tops will be closed, regardless of whether they have gaming machines installed. In addition to the rollback in certain counties, I am also adding a new statewide restrictions in this directive. All restaurants and other food establishments like pubs, breweries, distilleries, or wineries, which are licensed to serve food, may not seat parties larger than 6 people, indoors or outdoors. This measure will go into effect Friday at 11:59 p.m. and will stay in place until further notice. I am hopeful we will see a downward trend in numbers so we can continue to reopen safely. When we began reopening, I committed that we would remain flexible and let data and recommendations of public health and emergency management professionals dictate the best course of action for protecting Nevadans.